So, hello again. Now let's have a very quick demo that will show a new subcommand of thamos. So let's check what thamos CLI, the command line interface to Thoth's resolution engine, provides us to us. So newly we have a new subcommand that is called environments, and it shows available Python environments to users. So let's call it. What this command does, it contacts the backend and asks what Python environments are available for users to use. So here you can see that we have rel or UBI in version 8, running Python 3.8, Fedora in version 34, and running Python version 3.9. So this is configuration that you can state in your runtime environments section of your configuration file. And these are the Python environments on which Thoth can guide you and give you recommendations. So feel free to use this command. This way, I would like to thank you and see you next time.